Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and today I am making a gift box, card box for a teacher, and she loves Harry Potter. She took the quiz and to find out what house she is, and she is Hufflepuff. So I thought it'd be so cute to give her a little set of note cards that I made using Stampin' Up! Product. And I have these cute little note cards with her last name initial on there. I had like an afterthought and decided to do the dry embossing right here. And on the first few, I did not do that. So here's kind of a two. I really like the embossing, and I wish I thought of it sooner, but these three are more plain, but that's okay. They're still cute. And then I used our envelope punch board, which is this guy right here. So a lot of people don't know we have this, and you can make custom size envelopes with this, up to a size 6 by 8.5 card. So if you have a special card you're making and you want a certain size envelope, and it's, you want to make a custom envelope, you can do that with this. And you can also do some other projects that require scoring and punching. You just push this to punch it and make the envelopes. I'll probably do a tutorial on how to make the envelopes at a later time. So you just punch them out, cut them to size, punch them out, corner around the edges, and then I put a little bit of adhesive on here, and I use this Tombow that Stampin' Up! Sells. This is a mono liquid glue, and this stuff is awesome. So I glue this shut using that, so it's really strong. Then I put some glue here. You can kind of see that sheen on there, and I let this dry just like that, and then it becomes tacky, like removable. But I thought that'd be perfect, because then boom, you just stick it and you're done. How awesome is that? Because they are homemade envelopes. So I made 5 envelopes, 5 note cards. And then before we put the belly band on, I thought, how cute would it be to make a lid? And I had some acetate, so when this goes on, you'll be able to see inside of it still. And I thought this was really cute because it's got some nice quotes on here about the world and not failing. And a little bit's cut off, but if you know some of the quotes, then you know. And then some music notes on there. So I thought that was really pretty. You could do a solid color box top, and if you would like to see a tutorial, I could make one. Please comment below if you'd like more tutorials on this type of box. But Stampin' Up, their YouTube channel has the box instructions, and that's where I got it from. Basically, all you're doing is cutting a square piece, scoring it, and then cutting the edges here. You just make 2 cuts, and then you cut a little off the edge here so it just folds in better, like this. And I'm just gonna stick some really strong glue dots. I have them right here, so I wanted to see how this was gonna go. I'm pretty sure the glue dots are the way to go for the acetate box, but I've never made an acetate box, so I'm not positive. These are brand glue dots. Stampin' Up! Does make some. Not sure if these are where I got these from. I think I got them for free at the Scrapbook Expo. That's why I have them. You just want to make sure the glue isn't going to come through. And if it is, move the dot or add another dot, because it really needs to be like not, yeah, this one's a little too far up. So I'm just gonna, yeah, it's really sticky. So I think that's gonna work really good. Just needs to be a little lower. Sometimes these do not come off very well. They come off like all wonky like this, and if that happens, you really can't use it. It's dead. So I would say buy Stampin' Up! See, that one came off really good. See how that's on there? And then just gonna fold that up and stick it real good. Stick it good on the inside. So same with this side. I'm going to make sure they're on the inside. I'll put the glue dot on this flat side first. Yeah, but if you want to see the whole tutorial, I would say to go to Stampin' Up. That's too much. Yeah, I got their YouTube channel, and I'm like going nuts right now. That one's okay. I'm trying to get it to lay like a perfect little dot. You have to roll it just right, I guess. Yeah, because my kids are about to come home from school, so they might come in and it's going to be loud. I apologize. And that's it. You just stick this on like that. You might have to squish your box in a little bit, and I'm loving the way this looks. And then you just put your belly band on like that. Perfect little gift set. And if you really like this set, I'm going to post something on my Etsy store. So if you'd like to order some of these gift boxes, you can do that for whatever house you would like. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.